You're currently witnessing a 9-month-old trying to take a poop. That's what she's doing right now. Watch her face. She's having a little bit of a hard time with it. Hi, honey. Hi. I know. We'll get you some prunes in a second here. Hey. You okay? You're just squeezing it out, aren't you? Alright, well, take care of it. Okay, say bye-bye.